Hi everybody, this is my public announcement for people with OCD, including myself, and about cleaning the Bodum coffee press. Do not try and remove the coffee press. See that little bit of grime right there? I was trying to get it out of this thing. I guess it's press fit in there more tighter than I had thought. And I thought, oh, I'm gonna pop this thing out. I got the little clip part off there, and I thought, okay, this should be easy. And then I'm like getting it out a little. All of a sudden, pop! The thing just cracked and left me with some badly cut fingers. I don't think I need to go get stitches or anything, but so I got the blood to stop stop going. I had a mess of bloody paper towels, but you know, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Leave that little extra grime on there. I don't know, I guess it adds character or something. All right, public announcement over. Thanks for watching.